She always loved me.
Mommy is the best because she do everything for us.
She gave birth to me and guided me properly to become a better person in the future.
Siya yung the best mama na hinihingi ko. And thankful ako dahil doon.
She helps me with everything.
She always takes care of me when I'm sick or I'm in a hard time.
She's by my side.
Because she's helping me do my assignment.
She cooks me lunch.
She takes care of us always and she's so kind to us.
Because she's the best mother.
Because you play with me.
Hindi niya kami pinapabayaan sa lahat ng mga problema namin.
She's the one who's taking care of us.
She loves me.
She loves me.
She is my hero.
She is playing with me. My mommy is doing well and healthy.
Because she is my mom.
She hugs me while I'm sleeping.
I'm happy because mommy worked hard for us. No matter what, mama will love me forever. I'm happy because I have a mom like her.
Pinagluluto niya ako. I love my mommy. She hugs me.
Minahal niya kami ng sobra-sobra, hindi niya kami pinabayaan.
It's every food that I want. She always takes care of me.
Sobrang pagmamahal ko sa kanya. I love mommy because she takes care of us.
Super mom siya and I am blessed to have her as her mom.
I love you, Nana, because you watch with me always.
I love you, mommy.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you.
I love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Love you.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, mommy.